Hi, I'm Adrian from Micromega Dynamics. In this short tutorial, I show you how to perfectly synchronize different channels of a RECOVIB project in the viewer module. If you haven't watched the tutorial covering the basics of the viewer module yet, I encourage you to do it first. To illustrate this feature, I selected a project recorded with two RECOVIB Tiny. The two sensors recorded the same event, but as you can see, the first one is a little bit delayed compared to the other one. To perfectly synchronize these two measures, I'll open the Synchronization menu. Therefore, I go to the Display tab of the Settings window and check this checkbox. Then I must select the points that I want to synchronize. For example, I want this point on the first sensor to be synchronized with this point on the second one. I click Start Synchro, and the synchronized project is generated under the sync folder of the original RECOVIB project. Let's open it and observe that the two sensors are now perfectly synchronized.